Hey guys! Welcome to another bright and summer morning. Summer vacation are coming to an end and it is the time for back to school accessories haul. My school's starting within a few days and I almost forgot to buy a new school backpack. But anyways, I bought a new school backpack from Amazon and here I am with its unboxing video. So, what are we waiting for? It's unboxing time. This is the Genie Chill laptop backpack for women, with 3 compartments, and it is water-resistant and lightweight bags for office and traveling purpose. And it's of 36 liters. Let's unbox. Here it is. I really love the front side color combination of purple and white squares. It's of Genie and it is provided with an organizer, laptop compatible, and also has a cute happy pouch. It has a 12 months international warranty. Wow, that's good. Look, the happy pouch. It's so cute. The zips are really smooth and unbreakable. Let's see what's inside. I love this prints. They are like stickers. The first compartment has an organizer where you can keep your money or extra stationery or candies. You can keep your pencil case or books or files in the second compartment. You can keep your extra documents or laptop or even an iPad in your third and the last compartment. It is provided with a bottle holder with elastic by which your water bottle won't fall out. And that's it for today's video. I am so excited to use this backpack for school within a few days. Tune in for more unboxing videos next time. Also, I have put the link of this backpack from Amazon in the description below. So you can follow the link and purchase it if you like. Bye. Thanks for watching.